Alright, hi everyone, my name is Justin Smith, Product Marketing Manager with Chemique Adhesives, and today we're going to introduce to you our new GA3 adhesive system. And what we have here is the application gun. It's an automated application solution for beating out adhesives and sealants. In this case, we're going to be laying a piece of wood floor plank onto a sheet of drywall to simulate a flooring installation. Now, the GA3 adhesive system takes a full product range of GA3 adhesives and foil packs. This one's a 600 milliliter. We also have larger versions available for a flooring unit that's 1800 as well. And what happens is you start off with this large tube of adhesive, and as a low waste solution, at the end of the job, you have this small aluminum capsule that you can throw away, recycle, whatever you want to do with it. But again, it's a low waste solution to apply an adhesive. So here we go. This unit here is powered off of a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. You got a tube control trigger here as well. The bottom control actually controls the adhesive flow. You have a variable speed control, so you control how much and how fast the adhesive comes out, so you can dial your application exactly how you want it. And yeah, so let's get into the product. I'll show you. Let's do some beads of adhesive right here. So again, we're just gonna pump the adhesive through the gun. As soon as I prime the head here, so you can hear it going. We lay our perfectly even beads of adhesive here. Now, as soon as I release the trigger, an auto flow cutoff cuts off all the unused adhesive to keep it from coming throughout the gun. So again, it's all about wasting as little adhesive as possible. And as soon as you lay your wooden floor plank or cladding or whatever you might be using it for, the adhesive wets out underneath. It doesn't take a lot of pressure. In this case, I'm just pushing down a little bit onto this wooden board here. And it's engineered wood, but you can use it for real wood, parquet flooring. It's perfect for that as well. And yeah, the board's pretty much, in this case, for the demo's sake, it's in place. If you want to position it, you can actually lift up on the board, and it can be repositioned if you need to move it around and straighten it up. So in this case, just for demo's sake, I'm just going to readjust it a little bit.
Well, that's fantastic, Justin. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much for watching today. Again, Justin with Chemique Adhesives, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.
What's your website address?
Oh, www.chemiqueadhesives.com.
Thank you.